So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're going to put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Hello. Yes, off the bed. You did it. Macs are good. They're just solid. You made VIP. Just, like, dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your... Welcome to Orbem Order. You are now part of the Order. Hey, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. Whoop whoop. Yeah, you got excited. Yeah, that's alright. You're allowed to be excited. Let's get the stream avatars going. Let's also turn off the printer for now. I need to do some thinking about the prints. Alright, let's get it going. What do we got? What do we got? Off the bed. So, what do we have here? Hey! I think we got Game Doodle. He be hanging out. What up, buddy? And, I don't know. I can't be 100% sure. I think we might not be seeing Indy for a little bit. It's possible. I think he, when he got caught creating another fake account yesterday's stream, he bailed. Might be a little embarrassed. I don't know. I did have to take away his VIP status as well. So, we'll see. If he shows up, he's welcome. We love Indy here. He is a great supporter of Orbem Order. So, not a big issue on my end. We'll see, though. Okay. That being said, having issues printing the separated screw for my table grommet. Also having a little bit of issue with this filament altogether, to be honest. It hasn't given me much. Yeah, not off the bed 3D printing. Yeah, unfortunately, if I tell you don't make fake accounts once, you know, whatever. I'm just warning you. It doesn't help me. It's annoying. I don't like talking to fake accounts. You know what I mean? Because it makes me feel stupid at the end of the day. But if you do it constantly, even though I tell you not to every time, that's when we get into, hey, you're annoying me now, and you need consequences. So yeah, Indy has made at least 7 fake accounts and has tried to pass them off and lied about them multiple times as not being fake accounts, and made me create multiple, you know, fucking avatars and stuff for fake people or talk to them in Discord. So yeah, at some point you're just making me look stupid, and I don't like that. But again, he is welcome to the stream anytime. I appreciate his, you know, everything he brings to the table. He's working on Jalab, you know, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, JavaScript was fake. And it was pretty easy to figure out once I saw the email. That's why I said, you know, I'm going to take a look at the email, and then we'll see if he's fake or not. He does the same type of fake email. He creates one, and it was like .javascript, just like the PHP one. It was .php.php. You know, he created a PHP official account, which Kuzo's been using, which is fine, you know, once we know who's who. But, yeah. Enough about that drama. We do not need to worry about it. And, yeah, no hard feelings on my end, so he's welcome back anytime, like I said. But back to this crappy filament. Like I said, it's not high speed filament. It doesn't go up to 600. It goes up to 300 milliseconds, millimeters per second. So it has like some extreme, like stringing, and if you see the layer lines towards it. It can't handle the speed once it starts going pretty fast. So it's not like, these are things I can fix in Photoshop just for product photos. So I'm not gonna like waste these. But definitely if I was going to sell white products, or when I'm going to sell white products, I need to either slow down the printer when I'm using this crap filament, or I need to just spend the extra dollar. Spend the extra dollar on the higher speed filament. Because like I said, I'm trying to find every way to make the production cost as little as possible, maximize stuff. You like the piercings? Thanks, Ryan Riggs. Appreciate it, man. You can, yeah, you can come by every day and see him if you want. Just subscribe and, you know, you'll get notified and you can come look at them. I used to have a hell of a lot more on my face, if you can believe that, too, by the way. All my eyebrows were covered. I had not just the dahlias, but I went out 2 rows up on my cheeks. Looked kind of like a Joker. It was a mess. But yeah, these are the ones that stuck around. Had them for like 20 years. Thought maybe you were outsourcing the production once it got in full swing. Yeah, I did a little bit more research into Slant. Teleport, you know, Slant Pod. Teleport's the system that they're using. Or that they created. And I've been watching their blog. Their podcast, I mean. And they're really into, like, your design needs to be robust and work regardless of printer settings, regardless of printer, you know, a good design should work anywhere with any layer height, with any, you know what I mean? So that got me a little bit worried. Not because I don't think my designs are good, but because I think that they might not be worrying about the quality of the product, because if you want to print this diamond pattern in any layer height, it won't work in any layer height. If you want to print, you know, these screws with any settings, you know, they might kind of work, but they won't be like a good product. So I'm still on the fence. You go through a period where you do test products and they like send you versions for you to see, and you guys can like talk and work on it. So I'm not like completely throwing it out, but I definitely want to consider, you know, having the ability to print the products myself. And he's had a couple minutes. Oh, what is he in Discord? Don't switch. Oh, okay. Cool. Good. Yeah, sometimes he also either plays video games or he's a really good student, so he's also very busy with schoolwork, I'm guessing. So yeah, we'll see. At the end of the day, like I said, most of the print, this is the last product. I have an entire flex keys. I have the 2 switch. Shit, no, maybe I don't have the 2 switch. I think I need to still print. I need to print one more, I think. I almost have all the products printed out in the final designs. And then I can like start doing some product photos, do group photos of them together for marketing materials, and I have my trademark meeting with the consultant on the 18th. So I'm in no rush because I can't post any of these on Amazon or for sale until I get the trademark pending at least. And yeah, I gotta talk to the trademark guy first. We shall see. But yeah. Tonight, what I want to do is finish the photos. I'm going to add all the static options. Up, down, left, right. Default static is on the top. That's like when you load the page. That's what it looks like. And then you'll have statics for every direction that you stop walking. Discord. What am I looking at? Oh, is this your class? Are these your scores in class? Nice. That's pretty damn good, man. Although, come on, dude. 87 in science? What, you're not into science all of a sudden? I don't know. Yeah. I haven't been in school in a very long time, so. You're sleeping in science? Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, you're probably pretty bored compared to the stuff you're doing out of school, right? Yeah. No, I get it. But let's do something cool here. So, yeah, we set all this up to kind of work with an array. And speaking of that, like, all this can be also done in an array. Oh, this is an array. This is kind of dumb. Why am I doing it like this? What is this? This is just getting the post meta, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is kind of dumb. I just don't like adding multiple things in multiple places. Not very dry. But whatever, let's just duplicate this and make static versions. Static up. Static down. Static left and static right. I mean, unfortunately we need all of these. I could create a random array and just for each this, but this is pretty readable, so I'm not too worried about it. Is the stream starting soon a new thing? No, it's actually an old thing that I stopped doing. And if you came to the beginnings of streams, you know, when the first, you know, 6-7 months of my streaming, you'd always see that. I updated it and added more. See, I used to post shorts every day on YouTube, believe it or not. I have 300 shorts because the first whatever up until maybe a month ago, I was posting a short like every day on YouTube. And it was a lot of work. And I thought it's what I needed to do in order to build my subscriber count. Like, just keep doing it every day, and eventually, you know, I thought it would help me get monetization on YouTube. I thought it would like blow up my subscriber count, but it took my my buddy Scott Weaver to start his own YouTube channel, C Scott Dev. It took him starting that and then basically blowing the fuck up on shorts to realize I was not successful at all in my shorts and in my, you know, I was not getting, the cost benefit was not there. So I decided the shorts aren't doing it for me. I'm still gaining, you know, subscriber base just based off of the live streams, which I'd much rather just keep doing the live streams because I'm doing work, you know what I mean? So I stopped doing shorts, and honestly, my subscriber count has not suffered from it. But everything you see in that starting soon video, those are all from my old shorts. Like, I have a buttload of them. I can make 2 more starting soon montages full of them. So, yeah. That's where that came from. Not a new thing. Okay, where's this coming from? Oh yeah, so just getting all the direction images, which I think we have a for each for... Oh, this is just for the main character. That's right. I'm gonna have to do it where it shows up for all the characters as well. All the create characters. The whiskey one was interesting. That actually did really well. Yeah, I got like thousands of views. There's a few viral ones. I mean, there was one short that, you know, got a few thousand views and ended up giving me like 13 subscribers out of it. So, but Dude, it's like it's literally 10%, 1% of the shorts I did, or 10%, whatever the math is, gave me like a boost. And it, like I said, just not worth the time I was putting into it. I was having to edit a new short every day, and it's me going through my stream and like looking for it. And then I started just like recording my own shorts, because that's when he started really taking off, and I was like, okay, his format's really working. Like, maybe I should start doing like just consistent me recording interesting shorts. And yeah, that also didn't work. Not any better, at least. I was getting 500-600 views on average, and that's nothing. You have 97 because you can't understand my math teacher. Oh, you mean like you would have 100 otherwise? That's interesting. Okay, what am I missing here? We have the images here. Oh, I need to do the whole image upload thing, which this just is automatic. But where's my shit? Oh yeah, that's right, I did it in here. So static. Oh, let's just do it in the same order. Or should I do static up, up, or up, static up? Yeah, let's do it like that. Static up. Or static up, then up. Yeah, maybe I'll do static first. It's kind of like default up. Static down. Static left. And static right. And let's just copy this. Oops. Let's copy it correctly. And let's do the same thing here. Alright. And now we need to go into something else, right? Where's the static? Is that all the place? Oh yeah. This is it right here. Static up. Oh, you'd think you'd have failing grades. Yeah, I don't. You're just good at math naturally. What are you gonna do? You know, some people have it. My best friend from elementary school to high school to beyond to this day is a math like wizard. I mean, he does analytics for a living, but he you know, he was working for the Rand Corporation think tank, where he was going to get his doctorate in mathematics. And I'm just like, whatever, man. Math. I use math. It's my tool. It is not my passion. If I didn't need it, I want to use it. You actually wanting to be an aerospace engineer. Hell yeah, dude. That's really cool. There's some specialized schools for that, colleges that you should look into. You know, like specific for aerospace. I mean, there's like the normal MITs and CITs and all the normal technology schools, but then there's like specific aerospace, like best aerospace colleges in the country or whatever. Aerospace is really interesting. I like it. Alright. Alright, this should do it now. We should have everything. So if I refresh, you have Clemson near me. Oh, okay. Never heard of it. Guessing it's good though. Yeah, see, this is what's been pissing me off. Hold on. I need to fix this. So echo direction. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. This. Dish. Let's do this. See if that works. Oh shit, that's why. Guarantee that's why. If True equals a set. There we go. Let's try that. Now those should just be empty. Correct. Good me. If you go to college and state, my dad has VA benefits. Oh, hell yeah. Sorry. I feel like I was gonna sneeze. I just went like into my brain. Dying. Ooh, VA. What branch? What your dad be doing? Is he still? He's still enlisted, or X dude? Did he get dishonorably discharged for fighting his superiors? That's always a good story. Army. Combat engineer. What's a combat engineer? Engineering combat? Like fighting? Or like weapons? Blew shit up? Okay, so weapons. Engineering grenades and shit. I like it. We need more of that. Okay, so we have static up. Static walking up. This isn't very UI friendly. People won't understand this, but I'll update that in the future. Oh, we found him. Okay, so he like disarmed mines and shit. I actually don't have walking up, so let's just make it all walking down. And then up, we'll just call down. Oh, whoops, I did it backwards. I meant to do that. Static, and then up. It's walking. This is going to be confusing, but I just need to get images in here. Static down. Now this one's correct. Oh yeah, this is so much better than just like... so much better than me, like, just copying and pasting URLs. I like it. Static right. We'll just use gram static. Oh no, I actually think I have a static right, don't I? It's, no, maybe I don't. I have a walking right and a static, okay. I have to make one. That's fine. We'll just use this for now. Save! Let's make sure they all save. Hey, you left the stove on. The cat learned to drive, and the FBI is at the door. But regardless, I'm watching the stream. Smart. Smart man. The engineer doesn't make sense. Okay. Hey. Buffering. Is it? Something wrong with my computer? I don't have Wi-Fi on. Seems alright. Oh, got it. Maybe it's just a YouTube thing. It's possible. YouTube sucks at streaming. Okay, good. As long as it's good on your end. Alright, let's refresh. Let's see how these images are still saved. They are, because I'm a genius. Even though I can't get fireworks to work. Still genius. Okay. Now that we have all the images working. Am I not logged in? I gotta figure out how to stop that. Okay. So let's use these images because we're not. Right now I'm just kind of dumping them, I think. Like, where's my... We'll just, like I said, let's start with the main character. So we have the main character images just all busted out there. Now we need to add some styling. Some stalling. Yeah, this is map character. And why isn't it the right height and width? How big are you? Why are you so big? I said to myself. What's with the... What? What is... Oh, shit. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna have to change a lot of things. Alright, let's just make sure the HTML is right first. Okay. Yeah, so... This doesn't have the height and width because I didn't have the height and width set. So what is it now? We said it was 115 by 185 or something. That sounds right. 115? Okay. YouTube's good? Yeah. Everybody just sucks. Off the bat knows what's up. You know what's funny? I don't think anybody claimed first yet. Thought that was interesting. So no one's here technically. That's what I've learned. Yep. Skip. Start. Yeah, it's a Twitch thing. It doesn't let you claim? Oh, did somebody already do it? Or did you run out of dormants? Let me see. Did it get taken? First one here? It looks like it's good to go. Or it doesn't let you claim it when you try. Oh yeah, it doesn't. Somebody already took it. Weird. I must have missed it. It must have been it. Indy maybe he jumped in and took it. I didn't see that. No, yeah, I didn't get a notification either. Must have did it during the starting soon, maybe. Okay. Let's make sure the HTML is correct. Nope. Alright. I don't think I have height and width set here. That's why I do not. You know why I don't? Because I never used it before. Okay, I need the character. Main character, height and width. Shit. Which means I need the main character based off of the slug MC. That is your main character. MC. So let's do this. Maybe I can... Nah, whatever. Main character. Size. Alright. Height. Yeah, whatever. Main character height. We don't have to go crazy on this. So we're gonna need to get the main character first. Shit. You know what? Let's just do this. Because I know I'm getting the main character images over here. So let's just do this. We'll do main character info. So we'll add height and width to that as well. Height equals get post meta. I think it's just height. I want to say it's just height. Hopefully it's explore height and I'm not dumb. Hold on, let me check. It is explore height. I am less dumb than I thought. Good, good. That is very, how you say, good. Width. Alright, there we go. Does this have a default? No, I don't think so. Only option does. Alright, let's check out this clip. I said to myself. One more time. Why are you so big? I said to myself. Oh, you caught that? Good, good. You guys are paying attention. Okay. Alright, let's do a little of that. So, yes. Height and width. You're right. And let's say main character info. We can go ahead and do this. No, we can't. How about this? How about this? I have an idea. Go back. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. And then we'll do direction images equals main character info. Direction images. There we go. Now we being smart. And then we'll add direction images. And that's going to be one of man. Oops. Yeah, okay. We're using the power of arrays. Perfectos. Perfect. And then we'll do height and width. Perfect. You're so smart. Thank you, Ainus. And I did add a location as a parameter because in the future, when he changes outfits, I want to just pass the location. Because main character is the only one that's going to stay the same character. Everybody else is going to have like a different version of themselves. I think. Maybe all the characters, you know, the other main characters might have to stay the same too. We'll see. Okay. Main character. Now good. Now we have the height and width. What? So let's add it. Did I add height and width to the image or the container? Let's do the oh, wait. No, because map character is giant. I think it was character icon. Is that what I've been using? Hold up. That's actually a big deal. Character icon. Yeah, it's map character icon. So I actually need to do that. Okay. Okay, this is a bigger deal than I thought. So technically, this needs to be map character icon. Because I'm using his image for things. You're losing your mind? You can't find a fucking head? I don't know what that means. How? How am I going to do this? Class, maybe? Change it to a class? Map, character, icon. And I'm going to need the first one to be engaged. Yeah. Correct. Okay. That's coordinates down der. Ugh, so many things I'm gonna have to change with the whole walking shit now. Alright, let's add height, which is the same as this, basically. And then, looking forward to seeing this come together one of those nights. I like to know the words. They make sense, but my brain is just putting together. Yeah, it's alright, man. You'll see it come together. Alright, and instead of coordinates, this is going to be main character info and width. Main character info and width. Oh, and default, I'm going to do, I'll have a default for him. It'll be 185 by 115. Yet will be your default. Alright. Now we have our height. Okay, this should be good now. At least just to look normal, like when I load. There we go, look at that. We've got a bunch of little grains hanging around. Ooh, that is just too big. What was the image size I was using? Hold up. I thought I had that right. Yo! Beady Turtle in the house. What up, sucker? How you doing? Welcome to the party. The WordPress party of hell. 100 by 100? Yeah, 100 by 100 was the OG image. See, 115 by 185. Oh, that's right. Remember I was going to make it smaller. What was I going to make it? Yeah, because I wanted it to be a little bit crisper, so I didn't want it to be the actual image size. Hold up, hold up. Let's make it crisper. Have you heard of CRISPR? It's the DNA editing device. Not to be confused with Iona's syringe. What the fuck? How do you grab this shit? There we go. Oh, that's also right. I remember now. I was gonna make height auto. Okay. So oh no. Let's actually do auto. And then let's do what the hell is going on? Oh, okay. Object fit contain. Why are you not containing? Okay, I might need to add the height and width on the image itself. Which, actually, I just remembered that's exactly what I have to do. I just told myself that 2 seconds ago, and I forgot already. Because I'm smart. Okay. There we go. Now you're good. And in fact, like I said, I could make height auto, but whatever. There are sure a lot of words on that screen. I'm never spending too much time watching the visual programmers. Oh, that's right. You watching all those Unreal Engine people. Nah, man, way more fun reading. I always found, instead of doom scrolling shorts or like reels or whatever you're doom scrolling, if you doom scroll memes, you're a little smarter. Because you gotta read. You know what I mean? That's what I do. I doom scroll memes and I laugh. You know. And I feel studious because I'm reading. You heard it here first. I guess I don't have to use a style tag. I could have just done this. Boop. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Yep, there we go. Now we're cooking. Jed forced me onto Twitch. Oh, that's right. Now I'm getting sucked into the programming. That's right. Where's the clips on the doom scrolling memes to boost intelligence? Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, you came from Jedum, didn't you? That's right. What? Jew? I would never. Not one bit. Zero Kanye here. Okay, let's see. Hey! It started. Well, at least it looks really good. There's so many games. All right. I mean, we can all. Oh shit! Why is this overriding an inline? Why would I even have that? I don't know. I don't like this style though. Where is this coming from? Twitch. Teach. Let's see here. This is coming from my styles, obviously. Was it my my apps or my global? What is it coming from? Globals. Image, 100%. I don't know. This might destroy the site, but let's just do this for now, because I don't like that. Graham's hidden Shadow Clone Jutsu. I know, when they all move a little bit differently. One day, he will have that power. Ooh, I just came up with some really great continuations of Book 3. Every now and then I get, like, inspiration of, like, how the story should go a little bit. I'm like, oh, and I gotta, like, start writing again. Makes me excited. Because sometimes you feel like you're forcing it. There we go. Much better. Still got a console error though, which is fine. Let's just do what we're doing. Check on the HTML. Looks good. We have map character icon. Okay, now the first one has to be map character icon engage. And the reason for that is because now we're showing all the images on the page. So we need to, like, decipher between the two. Or the other ones. So that being said, I could do it server side, or I could do it JavaScript side. Front or server. So what I will do, because this will be the same every time, is if label equals static. So this is very hard to read, but let's do this. So echo if static equals direction label, then we'll just go ahead and make this engage. Otherwise, nada. Nah, dog. How about that? Hey, there's Andy, and he's gifting subscriptions to... Hey, look at that. You got a little gift there, BD Turtle. Your gifted sub badge is gone? Oh, now you have it back. There you go. Hey, look at that. Less ads for you, BD Turtle. What a great welcome to the party. Okay, now I need to... Can you believe I made all this music? Really hit you right in the face. Display none. And let's do engage. Display block. And now, app character icon is a class. How easy was that? You were VIP. Indy, you lost your VIP. For temporary status. You lost your VIP for 1 month. That's your punishment. Indy has been banned from VIP for 1 month. And for every new fake account you create, it'll be an additional month. That's all we can do. It's the only thing I can do. Okay. Now we have 1 Graham. Perfect. And he's a good size, too. Thanks, mate. Okay. Yeah, I need to create some sort of, like, digital timeout that's funnier than, like, I don't know, something boring, like just banning them or whatever. It's better if you have them like sitting, have like Indy's avatar like sitting in a jail cage or something, or whoever gets put in timeout, the stream avatar. That'd be funny. I might create a jail feature. That would be good. And every now and then he like a little can goes across the bars, so you're like, oh yeah, still in jail. Yeah, and it's gonna take who can post your bond. Okay, so this is now good. Static Graham looks great. He is in the proper position. Everything looks good. He still has his perfect size. Perfect size. Okay. Now the only problem is walking doesn't work. Alright. Now walking's not going to work until I rewrite everything. So box. Yeah. So first off, I need to go through all the code and change this to a class. And you know what? I'm just going to hard code. I'm not going to hard code. I mean, I'm going to search and replace because I know exactly what this needs to turn into. So this is basically going to be that turns into character icon engage. So if it's engage, that's the replacement basically. Oh good, there's only 2, so it didn't make a big difference. But it might clean up the console error at least. But the walking functionality is still not going to work. 10K, is that good for posting bond? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now we can do this. Okay, walking is back. That's good. Only problem now is the walking logic, it's just swapping image names around, so now I need to completely rewrite it. So let's do that. Where might that be? Miro position, Miro explore, there we go. So this is all working. I need the walking logic. Oh! Look at this. Have you ever seen anything so sad? Somebody help me. Thank you, Indy. My savior. Oh yeah. Scotch time. Ooh, oh. Ooh, oh. You know what's funny? I think Restream like blocks a bunch of duplicates, because on Twitch I see all the Scotch time messages, but on my message system thing over here, it's only showing it once, which is pretty good. Oh yeah. Cheers everybody. Hey, happy Tuesday. It's the worst day of the week, but yeah, at least when we're all together it's a little better, right? Uh-oh. Off the bed's going crazy. It's going crazy with Scotch time. Yeah, it does work. But let's not fill the entire screen with any messages. Though, during Scotch time, that's fair. Mm. Pizza time. Yeah, man, we'll see. If I ever decide to have pizza on a nightly basis, we might create pizza time, but till then, I think we have to stick with Scotch time. Oh yeah, well I gotta make the timeout thingy first. Hey, just because we don't have jail yet doesn't mean you have free reign to do whatever you want. Okay, here we go. We are now in the walking logic, okay? So this is the dumb shit where I'm looking for the image name and I'm switching the image name based off of which way you're walking. The new method is switching which image you show. Now, each image ID is actually gonna not work well. Hold on. We're gonna have to add like the person's name to the ID because each one's gonna have the same thing then. You know, no, it doesn't matter. Because I just switched the character. I'm also gonna have to change how we switch characters, to be honest. No, we should do that because even NPCs can walk, and I want to be able to make them change direction too. Why in the world is a tier sub 25 a month? Tier 3? It's expensive, man. 25 bucks, dude. I don't. That's more than Netflix. Oh, screw that. What is the point of that? Just send me 25 bucks a month in the mail. Fuck that. That's crazy. No, everybody, please. Everybody tier 3. That sounds great. Okay. Yeah, let's do we'll do the slug of the character name dash, and then we'll know what to look for. My content's higher quality? That's true. If you go up to like 1080, it looks pretty good. And the drama. You know what I mean? We laugh, we cry. We Scotch time. We WordPress. Pretty much the best thing possible. Okay, so knowing the ID name, what are we doing? Tier 2 is 10 bucks a month. Oh my god, dude. I've been trying to get rid of subscriptions, so like it really hurts me to think of subscribing to like a bunch of different Twitch people I like. But, you know, I get it. You know, do what you want with your money. Okay. What am I doing? I have to change this logic. So 38, number 38, which is the keyboard key, which I have to do this twice. What? Because there's two different keys, either WASD or the arrow keys. I'm dying over here. Tops. Oh, this is going up. Okay, this is going up. So if you're going up, you need to show the MC-up image. So basically, I don't care about this anymore. Though, I think on key up, do I have on key up logic here? I might not. See, I'm going to have to put it on key up, because on key up... Oh, wait, no. It does have logic. I think it just... I think there's an else where it just switches it back to a PNG. Yeah, something like that. Right? Did my old walking keep you in facing the direction? Yeah, it did. I think it did. Wait. BD Turtle, I just got into a bit battle on another stream today. So I'm really appreciating the subs I've been gifted. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, fan mail thing? Yeah, you guys would send some weird shit, wouldn't you? Ooh. I mean, I'd take free filament no matter what color, so. Yeah. Fan mail thing. Yeah, yeah. What, like a P.O. box or something? Maybe. Maybe someday. I don't really have any fans yet, though, so... You guys are mostly friends at this point than fans. I think. Empty cherry Coca-Cola can. Ooh, cherry Coke. Yeah, you should be... you know, honestly, vanilla Coke was my favorite. But when you had the choice to mix, like those mixtures, I would get vanilla cherry Coke. And that was crazy. Mm-hmm. DNA included. Hey, YouTube Shorts live feed. You guys are sending some weird-ass messages. But thanks. Thanks for hanging out anyways. Make sure to like and subscribe. Fuck. You know what I mean? I don't know what you're saying because it looks like it's in Arabic, but I sure like that you're here anyways. Oh yeah. I know this guy. This guy likes to just send random shit. Could be a girl. Who knows? Okay. So the logic is this. Click the button, switch the image, switch the direction, data point, because things change based off of that data point. And when you let go, you need to switch to the corresponding static version of that image. Okay? Big bag of balls. Big bag of balls. Ooh, that's fun to say. Big bag of balls, 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 big bag of balls. Balls, 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 balls. I got off of a tangent there. If this showed up in my P.O. box, be pretty stoked. Not gonna lie. My youngest daughter has autism. She's 9, can barely speak. Getting pretty good at brushing her teeth. Pretty good. I still have to do it, but she would love those. She loves just piles of anything. Piles of cards, piles of chips, piles of candy. Okay. So box SRC is what's screwing things up, it appears. So this is just giving me the image, which I don't care about that, to be honest. So that being said, where's box SRC coming from? Because now I just need... Well, I guess maybe I do care about the image name. Because then I know which... No, I don't care about the image name. Yeah. All we want to do is take the current image. So we just go const current image, current character image, a Ring doorbell. That'd be creepy. And it's like on. Like, doo doo doo. Just click on it. Who's at the other side? Current character image. This equals... This is going to be... Oh yeah. Oh no, this is only... Oh yeah, this is for me. This is all I care about. Document dot query selector. This is going to be map character icon engage. Alright. So what we're going to do here is if current image, then we're going to take the current image and we're just going to remove the class engage. Class list, remove, engage. Okay. So what this is doing is basically clearing out the images that are showing. And then this is going to show the new one based off of what you're clicking. So what we're going to take is the new image. So const new character image. In fact, we'll just do a let. That's nothing. And we'll just change what it is. Okay. Equals document. Oh, queries. Select. Nope. Document. Get element by ID. And now this is going to be the person's name, which I have to get somehow. Oh no, why I keep acting like this isn't just for the main character. This is just for the main character. And then the direction. So if it's 38, then the image is going to be, we're going up, up. There we go. That's the new character image. So let's do this. Char class name. Why am I getting rid of the class name? Wait, what's map char? What is map char? I forget. I wasn't paying attention. Just the screen. Are you guys just saying random shit that you would throw in the fan box? I like it. Keep it up. What was I doing? Yeah, what is map char? I don't remember what that is. Is it the element for me? Is it my element? It is. Okay. And this is the box. Okay, so box. Aha. I don't need box SRC anymore because I don't give a shit. So box equals the image. So in that case, I don't need this because that already exists. This is box. Hello, box. This is me, box. So you remove that from box, and then we get the new one, and we add shit to it. So we don't need to do this anymore. Wait. SRC. Wait, I thought box... Oh, is the image, yeah. Okay, so that's just changing the box. Map char is the actual container. I'm going to leave that because I must have to do that for some reason. Singular AirPod. 1 gram left. That would be frustrating. But send like 1,000 of them. That way I can make my own spool out of 1,000 different empty spools. This can change, stay the same. This will stay the same. Okay? False equals back GIF. Oh, weird. That's right. I had some logic here. Because I was having issues with the images kind of not swapping properly. Do I still need that? I'm going to get rid of this logic and we'll play it by ear. Yeah, we'll play it by ear for now and see if I need to add something back like that. 1 guitar string. So the new one, if new... Oops. Which this should exist, but then we'll do new character image, add. There we go. Yeah. So and then break. Right. And I'm basically going to copy and paste all this and just swap these out. So this is left. Good. This is right. Good. right. And then I'm going to need that whole logic where it like goes static when you let go. But for now, let's just get this working. Avatar. So this must be, yeah, like the default. Default is, I guess, down. So whatever, we'll just do down. A down. Get rid of you. And now we need to do WASD. So this is top, so this is up. I don't know why I say top in some places and up in other places. I just going crazy. But that's fine. This is left again. But we don't change our mind. A Boeing. Super Hornet. I like it. Yeah, if you've never heard of the Onion before, and you just show somebody that, they'll go a little crazy. Be like, I never knew. Aliens invented cheese? Yeah, man. It was on the Onion. It's real shit. Alright, same thing. This is down. I'm sure I'm going to run it. Oh, my fuck. What did I just do? I just closed what I was working on. Okay. Sometimes hotkeys bite you in the ass. Okay. Oh, here we go. Stop walk sound. Wait, do I add? So I think on stop walk sound, if I add the direction of the key you're letting go.
Lorenzo the Boss 2010 just followed.
Lorenzo the Boss. Yes. I am an author. Thank you. I mean, whatever. I authored books. It's kind of hard to call me an author, to be honest. But if you're wondering what I authored, that would be this book series here. Welcome to Orbem. This is the Orbem Order channel. This is the book. Yeah, this is what the video game's based off of. Book 1 is Orbem. Book 2 is Miropelia. Yeah. I'm not pushing it too hard because it's a 4-book series and I've only finished 2 of them. So, once we finish all 4, then I'll do some... Welcome to the WordPress shit show, yeah. The cup will be at his place of residence on Monday. Ooh, that's exciting. Yeah, I saw you ordered that. Hell yeah, man. Those cups are actually cooler than I thought. I'm gonna have to get one too. I really like the new logo. This new, what is it? This new Orbem Order logo. I like it on the flex keys too, you know. Orbem Order, get it on your flex keys. My kid keeps stealing my damn flex keys. Which is fine, I have a few of them sitting around, but she keeps taking the ones I want to take product photos of. Then George, that's true, right? It only took me a quarter of the time it took him. Yeah. No, it's going well. And there's audiobook, there's ebook, and there's paperback. I typesetted all the books myself, by the way. And would I suggest doing that in the future for somebody? No. I do like having control over every paragraph and number and image and chapter icon. I like having control over all that, but fuck, dude, for 350 pages, it takes a lot of time. Luckily, I know the Adobe suite like the back of my hand, so InDesign wasn't that big of a learning curve for me. But fuck, yeah. But thank you. Yes, it is. It's cool. It helps build a video game too, because I already have the storyline. The cup is not drop proof and 5 feet high. That is good to know. Who's 5 feet tall? You're not 5 feet tall. Then I forced 8 people to clean it up. Nice. Well, if it would have been 7 people, it wouldn't have been enough. So 8 people, just the right amount. Alright, I think we're in business here. I think when I start moving around, the images should switch. The table is 5 feet tall. My man's still working on a book, and we managed to get 8 seasons of 2 seasons. That's true. I keep telling people, hey, you want to see Orbem and the Orbem universe and the Harmonian Chronicles turn into a movie or a book or a TV show? Talk to all your cousins that work in the industry. You know what I mean? Help me out. Yeah, that's true. That's 10 seasons. 10 seasons of a show and you never finished the book. Yeah, I know. A signed copy of the Off the Bed 3D printing logo. Ooh, I like that. That has a lot of seasons, actually. Out of just those books, huh? Are they long books? I never actually read them. Sounds like fun, though. Alright, see if this works. That's true. Release the books or don't. Okay, obviously I'm breaking something. Box SRC is not defined. Where am I still using that? I thought I stopped using that. Hold up. Oh, yes. I don't need you anymore. Is that it? Oh, and I'm looking here. Got it. There we go. Try it again. Yeah, I agree. Alright, off to bed. Thanks, man. We'll see you in the future. See you on Discord, probably. It's been written since 2010 and been delayed several times. That's crazy. I actually thought he did finish it. I thought it just took him like 10 years. So he still hasn't finished the Game of Thrones series? How many books are out right now, though? Yep. Oh, look. He's walking. Yay. Yay. This is gonna work. Hey, walking down looks pretty good. Oh, look at that. Look at that smooth walker. Oh, look at him moonwalking. No way. Can you believe Graham can moonwalk? I can't even do that. Good. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Why are all my collision points broken? It must be because I changed, like, something. Oh, and the stopping logic doesn't work yet. So we need to add that now. 5 books. That's not that many. Yeah, okay. So this is good. And it's very smooth. Like, it's fast. Like, you can barely tell that they're different. You know, the shadows kind of change. Yeah. So I think once I actually finish all of the assets, it's going to come out really nice. Winds of Winter will be the 6th and final. Oh, so he just hasn't even finished it. Is it going to be like 7,000 pages, though? It's got to be long. That's right, Dak dude. You've been... Exactly. That's what I was thinking. Your book's coming along? You finished chapter 2 yet? I'm actually on chapter 3 now of book 3. So, I'm with you, man. Yeah, no, that was good. You've been hit by... Hee hee. I like it. Alright, let's get the stop logic working. All it's going to do is when you stop holding a key... Wait, let me see. It's going to still say the right dir. So if I go down... Oh, if I go down... See, when I let go, it still says down dir. So that means it's maintaining that, but it stops moving. So how do I know the key up? Mike's hee hee. Very good, very good. I like that. Why? How do I stop walking? That's the main logic I need to work on now. So this is an interval that's happening every 20 milliseconds. So it's keeping track of which keys I'm touching, apparently. Wait, where's the key coming from? D. That's right, I'm setting the D. I'm always set D. So I'm setting the D in here to get the positioning. Here's the interval. But where's the D coming from? D's coming from D's nuts? Right here. D. Okay. So, do I have a key up? This is key up. Okay, here we go. Okay, cool. See, I did already have logic here. This is for the add user coordinates timeout. So, on key up, I want to switch the image to static. So, that means if any of these keys are up, change to a static image. Orbem. Correct. That is me. Well, that is also a chicken sexing AI company. These nuts. Correct. You're not wrong. Uh-oh. Why am I glitching out? I don't know. I have too many things open? Probably. Okay, so const current character image equals document. Now it's going to be map character icon engage. Okay. And what I'm going to do is go current character image. No, I wasn't going to do that. I was going to do class list dot remove and engage. Fantastico. What? And then, so we're going to remove engage. Wait, shit. Yeah. Uh-oh. Dak dude got me on the watch a video thing. Let's see what we have. Give me a time signature. How long is this? I'm not doing anything over a minute. Maybe close to a minute. So we're going to remove that. And we're going to swap the static version. So let's get the ID. 7 seconds. I'm in.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
He's so happy about it. That makes me happy. Makes me happy when he's happy. Oh, bullshit. Oh, bullshit. It's because his parents are laughing and now he thinks it's a good thing. So when he goes into his daycare, and he's like, bullshit, teacher. And he's like, why is she laughing like my mom does? And making a video. Whatever. I mean, you have to have fun with the kids, but bad habits. Let's do this. Const static version equals document. Okay, yeah. Get element by ID. And it's going to be MC dash static. No. Static dash current character image dot ID. No. Yeah. Dot replace MC. I guess I could just do this. TBH. I can just do replace MC with MC static. There we go. If I can spiel. Yes, I can. Okay, if static, then let's do the static version. Yeah, no, you had it. There we go. All right, let's see if this works. I don't know if it will. I'm not sure. I think it will. So now when you let go of the key, it should swap out with whichever direction you were on, the static version of it. Could work. We'll see. There you go. So he won't just be aimlessly walking. What? The fuck? I didn't... Oh, god damn it. I must have done that by accident. I hate when it automatically adds a import like that. Okay, here we go. Let's walk up and let go. Yay! See? Now he's back to the up. And then if I go down. Up. Left or right. I like how he stops and looks at you. Moonwalk. Alright, I think it's working perfectly. Great. Uh-oh. That didn't work. It didn't like the diagonal. Which I think I have logic set up for that. Offset width. Let's see. Something's wrong with the box. What's wrong with the box? What the fuck? How did I do that? Get back in there. Get back. Hold on. Why are you disconnected all of a sudden? There we go. I guess then I hit the right button. Where's box come? Oh, I know what box is. So wait, why is box all of a sudden dying when I go diagonally? Why are you dying on me, box? Oh, cause it must, when I'm clicking both, it must be removing engage from both or something. Maybe. Alright, last one.
And I thought, maybe they made a mistake.
What
Yeah.
the fuck?
What the? I knew it.
This shit better not try me because I haven't seen her and try everybody and
I am Moana.
I was wholly disrespected yesterday for trying this, so we're gonna try it again. That's not even how you gonna just on the same. Come on, dog. Like, why can't I get a Prince Charming, dog? Like, for real? That's, you did that yesterday.
Oh, that's fucking good. I don't even get that.
And I thought, maybe they made a mistake.
The beast one's pretty good. At the very end. Okay. Whatever. We can deal with the walking bugs in the future. I do get that it works sometimes, but it seems like there's a right combination of walking. Okay, let's figure out why the hell I lost collision points. How about that? So in here, not in here, in one step above, I go to, okay, that's scroll into view. What's box? Map character, that's fine. Nothing's changed there. Where's the collision shit? That's draggable. Allow movement, no, that's not it. Oh, block movement. Maybe? Yeah, Here we go. This is where it is. It's in block movement. So here's the collision points. Map character image. Okay, I need to change this. This needs to be, why am I even doing it like this? I should just be doing this. Map, character, icon, engage. Okay, so this is the current shit. That might work. That might fix it, maybe? The only other thing I can think of is that I fucked up the map on Foresight. I might have. I don't remember. I gotta check the HTML on that one. There we go. Perfect. Cool. So we're basically back where we started. Okay. Looks like hitting spacebar breaks it. Okay. Spacebar is counting as a key up. So let's go back. We're gonna have to look at that key up logic. No. No. Yes. So I'm guessing it's counting here for some reason. It shouldn't. Oh, I think it's because I'm holding down one key and I'm keying up with another one. Keys includes which. Now, shouldn't. Can't be throwing around fists at work, man. Kidding me? I'll be punching everybody. I'm tired of this goddamn job. No, they fired him, remember? So he doesn't work there anymore. He can punch anyone. It's part of the job. He has to start punching things. Okay, we need to figure out why, if, and why this is getting hit. If, because this is inside here. So it shouldn't be getting hit, but let's check. Hey. So if this is getting hit when I let go of the key, spacebar, then we know something's wrong. Game Doodle's a little grayish green, yeah. Alright. Alright, let's check the console. Are we going to see hey? So we see it here. We see it here. We see it here. Now, will we see it? Okay. Well, we just confirmed that it's not because of this. So there must be another key up somewhere. But why the hell would it get rid of the engage on my image? Oh. Is it because of the weapon? No. Why would that happen? Wait, space. Indicator, engage cutscene. What the fuck? Where is this coming from? Is it removing? It must be removing. Yeah, it has to be removing the engage. There's a race condition going on here. I don't know which one it's coming from. Space. Yeah. I don't see any remove. Oh, here's remove, but that's for points. Here's remove. That's for weapon. Oh, is weapon getting counted as the image somehow? Map weapon. No. It's not like saying image. Alright, let's see some other key ups. Click transport. After minigame. No. So it's really just here. So then the other thing is key down. Is hitting it down causing it? Let's actually refresh and see if that's when it's happening. So if I go... Okay, so it's key down, not key up. That changes things. Readable color setting or something. Yeah. Orbem, I'm now 159 years old. Nice. I like that. Stay old, my friend. So we have 8 key downs. One of these are the problem. It's not this one. It's not this one. It won't be like before. Shift. Could be this. Let's see. I don't know why any of these would count or why they would matter. Am I... Hold on. What's happening to my HTML? Yeah, it looks like it's just losing its engage. Put that together. Do you try? Do you have the strength? Won't be like before. Okay, we have 9 areas where this is happening. Okay. Well, this is no longer that. So we're going to need to do query selector. Engage. That'll help in that case. I thought I already did this. Didn't I already fix all this? Oh, I think I was looking for the hash version. Alright. Maybe this is why it's not working. Maybe I'm like... No, that makes no sense. Because then it wouldn't be even targeting this shit. But this will be important in the future. Collision walls. Correct. See, it says ID again. No. Class. List. Dot. Includes. Map character. Icon. Yeah, right. We fixed that. Mm-hmm. 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 Last one. Transport. Yeah, all right. Okay, so now which one is removing the motherfucking engage from my motherfucking class? Is it select new character? No. This is interesting. I'm gonna give myself the benefit of the doubt and say it's something that I just added. So let's go over to the walking functionality again. And what'd you send me? You sent me plugging in your USB receiver with a hammer for that flush mount look. That's the dongle just slammed in there. I appreciate the compactness, I guess. Okay, Miro, pose, here we go. Let's go up to here. No. Here. Okay. So, the question is, Out of all the shit I just added here. So it only happens when I start walking, though. Am I correct? Like if I just hit spacebar, everything's fine. So let's take a look at the HTML and see what's actually happening. So this is fine. And when I... Wait, which one's engage? Okay, so this one's engage right now. Static up. Now if I hit, will it go away? No. So it only happens when I'm holding the key and hit the space bar. And spacebar removes the class. This is very specific to the spacebar. Hold on. What the fuck is the key code for spacebar? Oops. Spacebar key code is 32. So let's look for 32 real quick. Is it the drag logic? I mean, I'm gonna have to start, like, just knocking these out. It's only in a specific, if I hit the space bar while I'm moving. Doesn't matter if you're hitting the space bar when you're not moving. Also doesn't matter if you just move. But just that combination. Let's see if it works now. Nope. Okay, so it's not that one. Next. Wait, is this the only one? Alright, so it might be space. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, maybe it's dialogue related. I don't know. Event. Where's the event keys? So where's event keys coming from? Click. Oh, key down. Alright, let's try this. Get rid of this one. Maybe it's like a conflict with the cutscene logic. No, it's not that one. Next. What about you? I don't see why, but I'm running out of options here. And it's only key down. It doesn't matter on key up. Nope. Ugh, God damn it. What the fuck? On this one? But yeah, I mean, it didn't work. You lost your money. What about this one? No, that's key up. It's not key up. Maybe it's on this one. Wait, is this part of the same shit? Yeah, this is part of key up. Yeah. Key up. Cutscene. I don't fucking know. It wasn't this one, huh? Do I have key press? No. Shit. Excuse me. Let's see if it's only the Space bar. So if I walk... Aha! That changes things. It's not just the space bar. It's any key. Okay. So it's a key down logic that's fucking it up. Which one? I'm gonna get rid of all of them. Which will get rid of walking as well. That's remove. Remove. Add. Yes, it is a little extreme, but I'm getting kind of tired of tracking this shit down. And I need results. Okay. Now we have them all. They're all gone. Still gonna get rid of them. Okay. We're getting desperate. What? It still happened. It still happened. Even though there's no key down functions. What is happening? Oh, shit. Hold on. I have to see this for myself. Key guy. No, that was key up. That might have been a fluke. I think that was just key up. God damn, I keep doing that. Come on, fucker. Yeah, I think it's just when I let go of the key. Okay. Yeah, it's any key. Any key is causing it, other than the walking keys. The walking keys are the one that don't. Okay. So let's add walking back. What? Which is this for sure. And then I have a key up logic here, which is key up. Okay. I don't think that's the only one that handles walking. That's character hit, that's transport, draggable. Cut keys. This is cutscene. And close cutscene. Movement and knit. Okay, I think that might be it. The logic is that's happening is if I hold like left or down or up, and then I click any button, the engage goes away on the on my image. So let's see, I can walk now. Fine. Now if I hit a key while I'm walking, will it still go away? It will. Okay. So it's not a key down event. Or if it is, it's the only one happening, which is here. Which can't be happening. This is just clearing a timeout. Turn off the flashing arrows. This all, oh yeah, I remember. All this is doing is just setting things up, so that has nothing to do with it. But D does have something to do with it. Ooh, this is confusing. It's definitely a key down event though. And I don't have another event like key press or anything. Okay. I'm going to guess that this has something to do with just the way that the images are showing and hiding. So I'm going to undo all this because I don't think they're related. Okay. And I'm going to go to my logic. My row. So this is the interval that's constantly looking. I'm going to go to the logic that removes the engage. So if I go down here to the remove, I'm going to get rid of all the remove logic. When I move, yeah, when I hit an arrow key or WASD, it adds the engage class to the one you're clicking on. And it removes the old one. So I'm guessing there is something wrong with the, like the adding functionality, like while you're walking, if you click something else. It must be removing as if you stopped clicking, but you're not clicking a new key. Or something. That's the only thing I can think of. But I'm going to test that out. Let's check the DMs. Because Indy said so.
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Fire officials say all 10 people died due to the fire, which was too hot for their bodies.
Yeah, that's how I write too. Yeah, right. So where's all the logic? Remove. So it might be because of this. It might be because of this. Let's see. Because technically this isn't a key down, but it's like a function that's happening every 20 milliseconds. So this might be getting caught as yes, even though it's not. When you're clicking another key, maybe. Yeah. I think it might be this because it's possible that when you click something else, this is still true because you're holding an arrow key, but the key for go this way direction or something, it might not be correct. That makes me wonder if that was ever an issue before. Okay, let me see if I... Okay, yeah. So now when I click, it doesn't go away. Oh my god, I'm cloning myself. Ah! Okay, so it's definitely this. This is the problem. So I need to update the logic here, which, you know, we know we were going to run into weird bugs. So a box exists, which of course it does. And I mean, I could just add that or do this. And go this way includes 37, 38, 39. Wait. Go this way. Yeah. Wait. No. That's not how you do it. Includes this for just one on an array. Oh, yeah. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 87, 65, 68, 83. This is dumb. I know. Don't tell me what I know. Includes go this way. Okay. This might be what I need to do. Because it needs to be one of these keys. And what I'm guessing is happening is go this way is nothing. So it's removing it. go this way. So it's removing it because one of those is true, but go this way is not one of those. That's my guess. Because I'm hitting the space bar. And there we go. That's how you solve shit. Oh shit. I broke it. I think there's still issues when you go diagonally. Like at a weird angle. Alright. Okay. There's still some issues here. When you're doing something. And you like confuse it. No, it's like, it's when I'm not moving and then I click another button, which is, my guess is because I need to check if I'm able to move or not. And window.allow movement. I'm just guessing, but I think that's also true. It's kind of dumb. No, that didn't matter. Oh, wait, no, that didn't matter. Alright, what the fuck's going on? I shouldn't be able to do any of this. It's when I hit another key and I'm stuck. Is that not the right thing? This should be false. True. Oh. Oh, it might just because there's an error going on. That might just be fucking with it. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's just fucking with it. So this isn't even getting hit. It's another area. I'm sure if this was the proper like if I just go to another, like a cutscene that actually works, which I can't. I actually have to fix the cutscenes. Okay, that's fine. Big deal is we got walking working. I'm still able to fight. Obviously, there are some diagonal issues, which I would like to fix. Nice. Cheesy munchies. Let's see if we can fix it really quick before I leave. So hitting two keys at the same time should make you move diagonally. It does. The movements are working. The problem is there is logic I set up. And this might be what we're running into, is where I put that logic where it's like, well, if it's this and not this. Because what's happening is it's not adding an image like it should if you're hitting two different keys. I think that's what's happening. Because what I had before, if I look at the GitHub, let me check my code real quick. This is going to be a mess of code, but let's see here. Explore. No, JavaScript. Yes. What I had before in the walking shit, I have made a lot of changes since then. Shit. Can I search this? Oh, I can. Okay, cool. Miro. Oh, okay. I was already there. Indicate. Okay, here we go. So what I had before was if false includes back. Back is top. And then I had if false includes left. GIF. No. There's something else I was doing. Add lefter. No. See, I thought I had logic in place. Like when you're going diagonal, make sure you're doing the right. You're only showing one type of image and the dominant image. So I'm just wondering how... I think I'm doing that in go this way? No, in get key by value. One more video to send? Okay. No. I don't think it's that. So if I'm clicking two keys at the same time, one takes dominance. I just forget how I handle that. What do I do? I don't remember. Well, first off, is this what's making it go away? Let's double check that. Because I can put, like, logic into that to stop it from doing that. Yeah, so, like, nothing's going away. So it's definitely that logic. So that's good. I can control when this happens. I just wonder if I just stop being stupid and just put it here. Is it because box needs to be reset? Wait, what is box again? I think it's map. Map icon. No. Wait. Box is the image. I might need to reset box. Current character. Yeah, maybe I should redo that. No, because it's getting redone anyways. Where is it? Right? I think it is getting reset. Every time. Yeah, it's getting reset here anyways. But not every for each, I guess. Alright, I'll check it out. Let me try this first and I'll check that out. So first let's just try doing this. And see if this fixes it. Because that would mean that this removes, but it always adds something if it removes. There's never a scenario where it'll just remove and then none of those cases are hit. So I'm going to see if that works. No. See? There was still a case. Just from clicking a lot. See? Yeah. There's still a case where it's removing, but the ID doesn't exist. Or it's not the ID. I mean, yeah. What scenario could that be? Could it be the static, maybe? D is, like, it's an array of all the key codes and it says true or false. Like I'm setting these values in the key down functionality. Let's see if it has to do with this logic. Let's get rid of the static logic real quick and see if that fixes it first. Like the key up static logic. So, because I'm wondering if it's happening during that point. So like, nope. Oh yeah, see, I do have this logic here where you can do like bottom right, top right. Where is it? Where is it? So we have this. This is the interval. Oh, block movement? No, no, no. Get block direction? No. Where is that? Map character. Let's do static. Here we go. So this is the only other place that removes the image. So let's see if this is the problem. Okay. So this definitely is an issue here. Okay, so that might be where it's breaking down. On key up, I'm checking if any of the keys you clicked are up, and then I'm removing this and I'm adding the static version of the ID of the current one. It's possible that the ID is getting screwed up or something, and the static version doesn't exist. No, I mean it has to exist. It's an if statement, but maybe it's just going too fast and there's a... Hold on, let me add this back and see if it's still breaking, because there has to be a way to stop this. Oh, let's do this. How about that? That should do it. Because then it won't try to remove the engage unless it's going to add the static version. It still could be something just by going really quick, but let's see. Okay, I think that was it. Good. We did it. Yeah. Yeah, that was it. I can't break it if I tried. Woo! Alright. Let's see if we can get some fireworks for that. We did it. Fireworks me. Fireworks. Fireworks. I deserve it. Yeah! We fucking did it. Okay. Good. We rewrote the walking logic. We have the brand new asset logic working perfectly. We have fields for all the images, static and not, fully functioning. Yes, fully working new characters. All we need to do now is fill it with assets. This is, you know, which is the next step of the whole project. But this is big because everybody gets a new set of assets. Even little Salverson here, who's now tiny, he'll get a full set of assets, so when he's walking up, he'll walk up. That is now also logic I need to add. Currently, NPC walking, they don't change direction. So I'm going to actually have to next redo all the logic for all the characters, the NPCs. So they all need all their images showing, and they all need to know which direction they are going, which I don't have that logic in place yet. So I don't know where they're going. But it'll be easy to find out. We'll basically just use math to know exactly where people are, you know, based off of, you know, the next number. If it's higher or lower, then we will change the direction they're facing. But, hey, Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I think we should raid. What do you think? Honestly, I like me some Grumble of Pugs. I know Jedham's on, and I love me some Jedham as well. He's been up for 4 hours now, but Grumble of Pugs just started, and he's got a really cool game. Jedham has 45 viewers right now. I think he's doing alright. So Grumble of Pugs is just about to start. I think it'd be awesome to start him off with a bang, and let's watch the video before we go. Why? What is this? What? Why? Why do you try to explode everybody's stuff? Jed usually goes for A+. Yeah, I know he does. He's struggling today. Oh, okay. Yeah. When I saw him streaming for 10 hours, I was like, holy crap. I was very impressed. Because, I mean, I know if it's like your full-time gig to work on the game and stuff like that, and you want to show... I love that. That'd be awesome if that was my full-time job. But, yeah, I have a day job, so I can't stream like that. I did do like an all-day stream one time, which I might do again. It was kind of fun. It was hard to juggle, but I had some, like, pre-recorded stuff that you guys all love. But, yeah. Let's go ahead and raid our good friend Grumble of Pugs, who should be on any second now. Hopefully he starts in the next 50 seconds. Because it would be kind of sad if we all jump on and he doesn't show up for 20 minutes. But with that, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for jumping on. Hey, it's been a great group today. You've all been awesome. It's been an awesome Tuesday/Wednesday. And can't wait to stream again tomorrow and work on getting NPCs turning around and looking like real people. Just one more step to making this game and this demo look fucking sick. And yeah, everybody watching in the future, anybody watching on YouTube Shorts live feed, you guys are awesome. Come say hi in person. Subscribe and follow so you can see me all the time. And watch the progress on this WordPress video game. But everybody have a great night. Or day, or whatever. Bye.